Are you ready? Right leg first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out, and walk it back. And then out, out, and walk it forward. Toe taps now. Right, left. Pulls up, going round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 o'clock. Out, out, and walk it back. And then out, out, and walk it forward. Toe taps. Toes, toes, get your right hand ready, walk around it. You'll end up at 6 o'clock. Are you ready? You go out, out, and walk it back. And then out, out, and walk it forward. Right foot, toe taps, toes. Get your arm out ready. We're going round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 o'clock. Out, out, and walk it back. And then out, out, and walk it forward. Toe taps, toes, toes. Walking it round. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're back to the beginning. Start again. Out, out, and walk it back. And then out, out, and walk it forward. Toe taps, toes. Walk it round. You end up at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Off we go. Out, out, and walk it back. And then out, out, and walk it forward. Toes, toes. Right arm, take it round. You're 6 o'clock, you're going out, out. And then out, out. Toes now. You're going round. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 o'clock. Out, out, and walk it back. And then out, out, and walk it forward. Toes now. We're going to end up back at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Toes. We're going round that circle. 9 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out, and walk it back. And out, out, and walk it forward. And you've done it. Well done.